Imam Hassan Askari and Lady Malika got married. Imam Hassan Askari's house was under the ruler's surveillance and control. The ruler of that time had heard from his forefathers that there would be a son from the lineage of Imam Ali and Hazrat Fatma who would destroy the oppressors, and will fill the earth with justice. The ruler of the city of Samarra was disturbed by this news and was looking for a way to remove this threat from his government. He forced Imam Hassan Askari to live in a house in the cantonment. The servants of the ruler supervised the Imam day and night and went round the house of the Imam so that if any child is born they can able to kill him there and then. Imam Hassan Askari sent a message to his paternal aunt Lady Hakima and said,
"I wish that you have dinner with us tonight. Because the son we have been waiting for is coming into this world tonight."